Welcome to 1113 Jansen Avenue, a spacious three-level colonial offering approximately 2,496 square feet of living space, 6 bedrooms, and 3 full bathrooms on an approximately 0.23-acre lot. No homeowners association. Outdoor space is one of the property's standout features. The expansive, fully fenced backyard provides abundant room for entertaining, recreation, gardening, pets, or creating your own private outdoor retreat. The updated, oversized driveway offers convenient off-street parking for up to 6 vehicles, an exceptional advantage for a home of this size. A large covered front porch creates a warm and inviting entrance to the home. The main level features 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, and an adjoining dining room. Numerous windows throughout the home provide abundant natural light. Upstairs, you will find the principal bedroom with a private full bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms, and another full bathroom. The walkout lower level adds flexibility with a second family room, the 6th bedroom, a laundry area, and additional storage. Additional highlights include updated flooring and a new water heater. Conveniently located approximately 1.3 miles from the Capitol Heights Metro Station, served by the Blue and Silver lines, with easy access to Washington, D.C., shopping, dining, and major commuter routes, including I-495 and I-95. A wonderful opportunity for buyers seeking generous living space, flexible bedroom options, exceptional outdoor space, and ample parking. Some of the pictures are virtually staged.